Hey guys, Rachel here. I'm about to show you a trail runner. It is a 2024 trail runner. It is a bunkhouse. So if you have the kiddos and you're ready to go camping, this might be the perfect one for you. It is pretty light and it is a great price. You know, I do love the colors in this. I love the white wood that Trail Runner has. So let's go from the outside in. Alright, so we got the Trail Runner with model 321 BHQB. It has one long slide on this side, and then it has your electric awning and your outdoor kitchen. Plus you got speakers underneath the awning. Let's see what we got in here. We've got a griddle and a fridge and a little bit of an extra storage. Not only that, we do have the leveling right here in the front and the back. You've got your backup camera prep as well, and that is locked. All right, let's take a look inside. So right when you walk in, you've got some storage here, a little table that you can put some stuff in, which I absolutely love. You can put your shoes underneath there if you wanted to. And I don't know if y'all can see how much space there is in this, even with just that one slide. It's actually so much space. Right here, we got our kitchen with a 3-burner. We've got our oven and our microwave right there. I, again, love the white wood. You got storage. I love the backsplash. Nice big sink as well. You got storage on top and on bottom. And a nice big fridge here. Of course, this is one of those fridges that actually open up from both sides. Love it. A nice big freezer as well. Go ahead and open that. Very nice. You've got more storage and drawers right here, so you can use this for whatever that might be. You got a nice comfy couch that of course turns into a bed. Beautiful window behind that. On the other side, you've got your entertainment with storage up at the top. Your dinette right below, which of course also turns into a bed. But this is a nice big dinette, so you and all the family can jump in here and actually, you know, eat together, which is really nice. You've got more storage over here. And then storage on the bottom as well, which is, I mean, can't have enough storage, that is for sure. So here is the bunk room. Now it is kind of dark. Let me see if I can let me see if I can open one of these windows, give you a little bit light. So on the bottom we've got a full with some drawers right here. We also have some more cubbies right here, which definitely helps. You've got a top bunk and two top bunks right here, and then this nice, I would say full size, and then a side table as well. So plenty of room, plus you got your AC in here, and it is ducted, so that definitely helps. And you can put any entertainment over here in this corner so that everybody can enjoy when it's raining outside and you can't go out. All right, so again, it has, you know, the barn door, and they get their little space to themselves, which is really nice for both them and the parents. All right, so down this hall, this door is our bathroom. It's nice and big. It really is. So I like when they have that walk-through shower. Plenty of area right here to have a seat. You're not going to bump the knees. Little cubbies on the side, and then a lot of storage. A nice size counter as well. Very nice, and I love the colors in here. But I love the fact that their shower is big. It is tall and big. All right, Here is the master bedroom, and right away you notice, look how much space that you have on all sides. Very nice. You've got room for, you know, on each side to hang up, plus cubbies on each side. And then of course that up there you can put, you know, whatever that might be, books, clothes, shoes, whatever you might use that for, but it's nice to have that. Plus you have more storage over here as well. So of course that middle one would come out. You can hang up your clothes, and then down here as well. So tons of storage, and of course I'm sure there's some more storage underneath this bed as well. So what do you guys think of this unit? I absolutely love it. I mean, it's got everything that you could need, and it's so spacious, and for the price, absolutely love it. We've got 2 ACs on here, of course, and then the whole thing is ducted, but it's definitely small enough to make sure that you're always staying cool or you're always staying warm, but big enough that you're not bumping into each other. The dry weight on here is 6,800. So again, it's not too heavy. The length is 35.11, and the price on here is only $36,995. I'm excited about this one. Excuse me. And I cannot wait to show my customers. So if you guys want any information, of course, reach out. Come see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Happy to help. Or if you want any information, call, text, or email. My information, of course, is down at the bottom. Let me know what you think, guys. All right. Until next time.